Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Shiloh's Updates. How much steel is required for a slab? Let's see the easy trick. Consider this is a slab. Length of slab is 6 meter and the breadth of slab is 4 meter. Now we are going to find out how much steel is required for this 6 meter into 4 meter slab. In this video, I will tell you the shortcut way to calculate it quickly. There are two directions for a slab, X direction and Y direction. This is X, this is Y direction. Mostly, main reinforcement bars is provided in X direction. Because main reinforcement should be provided in shorter span. This is the shorter span. So main reinforcement should be provided in shorter span. In every slab, two kinds of reinforcements are provided. Main reinforcement and another one is distribution reinforcement. From this diagram itself, we can say that distribution reinforcement should be provided in Y direction, that is in longer span. In addition to this, we need two more details also, diameter of bar and also spacing of bar. For this slab, we can assume the diameter of bar as 10 dia for both main reinforcement and distribution reinforcement. The spacing of bar we can assume as 150 mm center to center distance. Now we can calculate how much steel is required for this slab. For that, first we have to calculate number of bars. To calculate number of bars, there is a formula. The formula is total length divided by spacing plus 1. Why this plus 1 is given in this formula? Because spacing distance is taken from center to center. So we have to take both the sides half plus half, which is equal to 1. This is the reason why this 1 is given in this formula. Now we can calculate number of main reinforcement bars. To write in short, we can write main reinforcement as MR. Total length of main reinforcement bar is, we know that 4 meter. These are all main reinforcement bars. So we can write here 4 meter. Divided by spacing. Spacing we have assumed as 150 mm center to center. 150 mm means 0.15 meter. 0.15 meter plus 1. When we solve this, we will get 41 number of main reinforcement bars. Similarly, we can calculate number of distribution reinforcement bars. These are all distribution reinforcement. The total length of distribution reinforcement bar is 6 meter. Right here 6 meter divided by spacing 0.15 meter plus 1. When we solve this, we will get 27 number of distribution reinforcement bars. Therefore, number of main reinforcement bars are 41 and number of distribution reinforcement bars are 27. Now, we have to find out total length of both bars. First, we can calculate main reinforcement bar length. Length of one bar is 4 meter. Therefore, length of 41 bars are four into 41. We will get 164. 164 meter. This is the length of main reinforcement bars. Similarly, we can calculate distribution reinforcement bar length. Length of one distribution reinforcement bar is 6 meter. This is distribution bar. The length of one distribution reinforcement bar is 6 meter. Therefore, length of 27 number of distribution bars are 6 into 27 bars. We will get 162 meter. Total length of bar is equal to 164 meter plus 162 meter, which is equal to 326 meter. This is the total length of reinforcement bars. Now we can calculate weight of steel. How to calculate per meter weight of steel? For that, there is a formula. D square divided by 162. This is the formula to calculate per meter weight of steel for only 1 meter. But we have to calculate for 326 meter. So we have to multiply this 326 with this formula, which is equal to D square divided by 162 into 326. We know the diameter of bar is 10. Therefore, 10 square divided by 162 into 326. When we solve this, we will get 201.23 kg, which is approximately equal to 202 kg weight of steel. Therefore, 202 kg of steel is required for this 6 meter into 4 meter slab. This is the shortcut way to calculate how much steel is required for a slab. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe Civil Engineering Shilo's updates. Click the bell icon, share this video. If you have any doubt, comment below, and also you can mail me. My mail ID is shilosupdates@gmail.com. Thank you.